Hi there, my name is Tristan Shiner from Manitoba Marketing. Just making this quick little video for you guys because I spoke with Rose today on the phone from the Brandon location and wanted to just give you guys some tips and tricks to increase your online presence, your ranking on Google. So I'm going to go over three things in the video, and they're purely for educational purposes. But if you feel like if you have any questions, or if you feel I have something to offer, then please reach back out to me, um, probably just by email, and we can go from there. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to go over three things, like I said: content, backlinks, and then citations. So first off, with content, Google likes a lot of words on websites, a lot of pictures, just content in general. And that is because Google likes to scan your website, I guess is the best way to put it. They like to see what kind of keywords you have, what kind of content you have to make you relevant to people's search terms. So when people just do generic searches like Brandon dentist, Brandon Manitoba dentist, anything like that, they're gonna look over your website, see if you have any keywords that are relevant to that, to make you pop up when people search that kind of stuff. So first off, I just want to say your website looks really good. It's very clean, very easy to navigate. There's nothing glitchy or anything. I like this little map here. I haven't seen that a lot, and it's actually pretty cool that it shows right inside of your guys' business. But I do, you guys do have a bit of content here. And home pages, it's okay if there's not quite as much, but you need strong back pages to support your website, to kind of be the weightlifters for it, so that you can, I guess, rank. So one thing you can do, if you don't want a lot of words necessarily on your home page, but you have a lot of pictures, you can actually save those pictures. Oh, whoops, what did I do here? I'll just go back here. Sorry about that. Let's see if it'll let me. You can actually save your pictures as keywords so that Google sees it as another keyword for your business, for your website. So that's just one little pointer there. I'll take you over. We're going to talk about backlinks now. This is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. It's used just to kind of give me an outlook on what your website looks like on the more digital side, I guess. So backlinks are any link that is coming back to your website, and referring domains are any other domain that are out there that are giving you those backlinks. So the more backlinks you have, the better. The more referring domains you have, the better. But it is very important to keep in mind that not all backlinks are made quite equal. And what I mean by that is that they have to be relevant to your business. They cannot be spammy backlinks, or backlinks from businesses that have nothing to do with dentistry, or whatever your niche is. Google's gonna take a look at those backlinks. They're not gonna be very happy with them. They're just gonna toss them aside, and they're not gonna do your website any good at all. So you guys are doing for backlinks very well. This number right here is a very important number to look at for how much Google likes you, basically. So it's your domain rating. So with this many backlinks coming from this many domains, a domain rate of 17 is pretty good. That means Google is fairly trusting in you. Your backlinks are coming from good spots, and they're not spammy, I guess I'll say. If we click over to Princess Dental here, they're the #1 spot in the organic rankings for the Brandon Manitoba dentist keyword. And as we can see here, they've got more backlinks than you, a little bit more referring domains, but if you notice, their domain rating is rather small. So I went in here earlier and I took a look, and they're getting a lot of backlinks from radio stations, which are good backlinks, but they have a low domain rating for this website because they don't have anything to do with dentistry. So their domain rating is very low. So one of the only reasons that they are beating you guys is because they have more organic keywords than you. So there's more content on their website and they're showing up as more relevant on Google just because they have more keywords. So with that in mind, if you were to go out and get a ton more referring domains with good solid backlinks, this you would dust them. You would blow them out of the water because they wouldn't be able to catch up because they don't have the strength that your website would have if it had a lot more really high ranking backlinks. The last thing we're going to look at here is citations. So a citation is is your business name, address, and phone number in any directory on Google. Like Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, anything like that. And the more citations, the better, because they are what help rank you in the Google Map Pack. And that these days is definitely one of the most important places to rank high on Google, in my opinion, because lots of times people are not going much farther past that. They're taking a look at the Google Map Pack, they're looking at the reviews and the ratings, and they'll pick one based on that. They might not necessarily go on your website, but they're definitely going to be looking at your reviews and your little Google Map profile. So it's very important to have that optimized to give you guys the best results as possible in that sense. So those are the three things that I wanted to go over. Pretty easy, just small things that you can do. There are a stream of different kind of things that you can do to increase your Google ranking, but I just wanted to give you a little base. So please, if you have any more questions or anything that you know about that you'd like to ask me, then please reach back out to me and we can go from there. Thank you very much.